Where my wolves at? Here, put your hoodies on. Keep your face down low. Anything shining, take that shit. Give a fuck, we in the bar. Niggas, bitches, let's go.
Hey, yo, set it off, let it off, get it off. Yeah. Get this shit wild like thugs from up north. Yeah. Fights in the crowd, the shots to jump off. Yeah. Bodies on the floor, blood on the dance floor. Get stuck at the bar, get robbed at the door. Trapped off at the go check door, take it off. Get down, face down to the ground. Killer for the dough like Bo from uptown. Yeah. Cut your finger off, send it to your mom's house. Yeah. Never testify no matter how it goes down. Yeah. When I park shots, you niggas are ducked down. What? Run up on your block, you niggas get shut down. Yeah. Give it up, you don't wanna try to resist. Before I hit you up, you don't wanna die for this. So we gon' load our guns to this. Black mask, face down, motherfuckers getting robbed to this.
Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head.
Shots is spilled, niggas think it's not for real. Make your body disappear like Copperfield. No funerals, no wakes, no doctor bills. Lot of niggas ain't kicking shit, I can feel. Getting it down real big, that's what we doing. Give them the most raw, that's what we doing. The game gon' understand, the world gon' understand. These niggas is gunning and you die for these grand. Shots from the Mac, killing any cat swagger. You got it back, stab you with your own dagger. My sons take your 6, drunk you in the Datsun. The ones that probably even pop the cops slump. We got them strung with the drugs that we dealing. Appealing to loud niggas, thugs and villains. And my Brooklyn killers, and my project niggas, and my brothers locked down in the jails to feel it.
Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head.
If I don't eat, fuck that. Everybody saw I'm taking airplay like it's full time in Oz. Motherfucker, I kidnapped all your kids. Before I had a record deal, what you thought I did? Last job that I had, I was punching the clock. Last niggas that I tied up was up at Koch. I ain't even need a mask, I ain't bust one shot. Made a wire me my money right there in the spot. That's a Cartier watch, nigga, take that off. That's an iced out cross, what? Take that off. Know what happened to your daughter, I don't make that call. Better take you to the bank or get your face clapped off. Hottest nigga in the club, cause I got the heat. So what, boy? One gun box with me. Then step up, youngin', show me what you gon' do. We got big guns, nigga, that gon' boom, boom, boom.
Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. Take 'em out, bring 'em out, dead. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 to the head.
Get ready, motherfuckers!
You can't fuck with the Chizo, please no interruptions. Your crew pull up guns, get waxed in the sun like my right toxic 5. Smash you with the switches, the hinges. You're getting too big for your britches. Why you running like bitches with your tail up? I'm the drug pirate, put the sail up. Your whole crew frail, what? You want this joint, suck it, inhale nut. Niggas are feeling this track in braille, huh? What grade A, while you motherfuckers fail, what? You understand imitators gotta bail up. To all the males and females ganging up. All on my cell phone talking shit hanging up. I gotta show you how a nigga banging up. Slanging cuts, this water gets mine. Your mind leaks, we major. Detail the plan, strike first, hit hard, catch you off guard. Another victory. You wanna play rough, motherfucker, huh? This water gets mine. Your mind leak, we major. Detail the plan, strike first, hit hard, catch you off guard. Another victory. Come and meet my little friend. I slay rappers with precision, I got vision like Anakin. You panicking, I'm leaving you stiffer than a mannequin. My high lyrics constantly brain damaging, brandishing a firearm, still managing, hurt niggas bandaging, wounded by lyrics that play you like a mandolin. I hold my mic like my dick, what you handling? I kill flows on tracks you abandoning. I eat you like pussy, then take a sample, then spit fire in the places you standing in. I take a fool to the hill like light a candle in. You and the gossip caught in the scandal in. Now I see your whole brain scrambling. Don't like what you hear, change the channel then, nigga. This water gets mine, your minor league, we major. Detail the plan, strike first, hit hard, catch you off guard. Another victory. You want war? Okay, I think we do war. Your squad gets mine, your minor league, we major. Detail the plan, strike first, hit hard, catch you off guard. Another victory. I step on you, fucking cockroaches. I spark cells over rhythm, you best listen. Get it over west, on the shit, rolling it. Cypress owning it, fighting niggas, cloning it. I got a dog, got a bone to pick, you holding it. Suck it hard, swallow easy, put a soul in it. Your body's on the floor, head got a hole in it. The weed master, rhyme killer, mic controlling it. You still talking, but your whack ain't knowing it. Stepped in shit, now you're chilling all alone in it. Head full of hair, still ain't combing it. Wild child in the world, who's roaming it? Never know if I'm high or I'm sober shit. I got you stuck in the twilight zone of shit. I'm the owner of the factory you rolling with, bitch. Your squad gets mine, your minor leagues we major. Detail the plan, strike first, hit hard, catch you off guard. Another victory. Look at you now, look at you fuck. Your squad gets mine, your minor leagues we major. Detail the plan, strike first, hit hard, catch you off guard. Another victory. You fucking piece of shit. You don't know who you fucking with, huh? It's the Cypress Hill, Soul Assassins. You fucking piece of shit. I fucking spit on you, you fucking bastard. I fucking stick my gun up your fucking ass. You fucking piece of shit.
It's time to get a little filthy in this motherfucker. You know it is. Dirty ass. Standing on the wall, head up, head up. Standing on the wall, dirty ass. Dirty ass. Dirty ass. Dirty ass. Standing on the wall, head up, head up. Standing on the wall, head up, head up. Standing on the wall, head up, head up. Dirty ass. Dirty ass.
Entre le trône et leur boule, y'a ma bite qui sépare. Ha ha ha, débat, à qui tu me compares. Sont au bas lourd, ça c'est du lourd. Les Zoulous bouchent les oreilles tellement c'est tout lourd. En mode spatial, le rap français en orbite. Les MC ont la bouche trop petite pour mon gros beat. Les punchlines arrivent vite, tu le suspense. Si tu me liquides, je me disperse 100 milliards de cents. Pieds au plancher dans ma Benz. Rajoute du sub, et t'es un, c'est ton ball burn sur mes coups de sub. Fais chaud, j'fasse mon buzz. Testé pour ces valseuses, attesté par les cassos, détesté par les crasseuses. Mon blabla place, efficace en face à face. Plus d'un flow dans mon queue, la haine qui fait déborder la fa-fa-fa. J'garde la claque, la classe, recherché par les tatatas. Je me déplace que pour des gros casses, 9-4 dans la claque, la place.
Dirty, dirty ass. You wanna shut the club down, call dirty, dirty ass. From the hood to out of town, call dirty, dirty ass. Now you fucking with the best, dirty, dirty ass. You wanna real club sound, call dirty, dirty ass. You wanna shut the club down, call dirty, dirty ass. From the hood to out of town, call dirty, dirty ass. Now you fucking with the best, dirty, dirty ass.
On est tous fous, non déclarés, faut plus de sous pour se barrer. Même les chiennes qui ont les tours finiront par se marier. Les mecs comme moi, trop insta pour être casanier. Tu peux vendre la coke, rapper comme moi, faudra des années. Arrose le bitume, tu feras pousser des thunes. Appelle les studs, dans mon stud, je fais pousser des tubes, nègre. Je fais la une sans y être passé, je laisse ça au bras cassé. En solo, je suis déjà assez, abrasé, à tout casser. La lumière m'obscurcit, c'est la poésie du U. Si la vie me tape un striptease et ma plume durcit. Fais péter mon épidémie, showbiz n'est pas notre ami. J'ai le record d'audience à la Star Academy. Et des quartiers équipés, où les cœurs sont lapidés. Le jour où ça va péter, la France sera constipée. J'ai pas attendu les émeutes pour faire du rap engagé. Je baisse l'état depuis tout petit, je l'ai pas encore craché.
Dirty, dirty ass. You wanna shut the club down, call dirty, dirty ass. From the hood to out of town, call dirty, dirty ass. Now you fucking with the best, dirty, dirty ass. You wanna real club sound, call dirty, dirty ass. You wanna shut the club down, call dirty, dirty ass. From the hood to out of town, call dirty, dirty ass. Now you fucking with the best, dirty, dirty ass.
Les officiels tu meurs, tes love de moi tu pleures. Souvent de mauvaise humeur, je prépare que de l'horreur. J'ai la cote de l'honneur, je les baisse de mon leur. Ils se testent, faites ma leur, mais c'est pas encore mon heure. Et que les ennemis, la famille sur le dos, on s'élève. C'est pas ma faute si c'est dans ma barre du ghetto, y'a un faible. Soit débrouillard ou crève, laisse-moi rapper. J'finisse pas au quai des affaires, et pas au quai de la râpée. On prendra pas la perpète, on prendra des pépettes. Leur foncé rayé, donc l'histoire se répète. Il est question de raquette, que pour jouer au ping-pong. Le temps de Shahed, t'as les couilles de King Kong.
Un film de cul, nigga.